Okay, we're playing Taboo.
I'm skipping. Okay, when you go eat Asian food, at the end of your food, they give you
mints.
No, they give you
toothpicks.
No, the other thing. It tells you
egg roll.
It tells you your present. It tells you your present. Your
fortune cookie.
Yes.
Oh, I was gonna say.
Okay. He was a famous. He used to hit like Mayweather back in the days.
You said,
Come on, he bit somebody's ear.
Holyfield.
You said okay. When you go to you can't do that. When you go to and you get colorful beads.
Mardi Gras.
Yes. When you go to jail, you are a
criminal.
Yeah. When you the Pepto-Bismol commercial, it says this word.
Indigestion.
Yes.
Ooh. We're fucking nice, nigga. I'ma drink to that, better than.